What is up, guys? This is Brett here from brettdev.com, and today in this video I want to show you a hotel, like a cheap hotel, a budget hotel. It's called Krong House. I'm literally filming this on the same day that I shot a previous video, and it's because we came over here and we sat down to get a coffee, and the lady at this place, Krong House, was so friendly, and she's just bought this hotel right before the whole situation has happened. So she got hit really hard, and I think the rooms right now are about 300 to 400 baht a night. So this is a super deal. If you're coming to Chiang Mai, it's a really cool area, and the rooms are 300 to 400 baht a night. I'm going to find out. I'll see if she does monthlies. Downstairs they've got a beautiful coffee shop, really nice food, really nice coffee, food, all that stuff. And I thought it'd be interesting for you guys to get a look around. So we're going to go in, she's going to show us about, and this could be an excellent place for you to stay when you first arrive in Chiang Mai.
What fruit?
What you want?
I
don't know what.
How about tango
แตงโม
or separate?
แตงโมดีกว่ามีแตงโม
Can I just get a latte?
You have
ลา
yogurt?
เต้ฮอตลาเต้
Yeah, hot
You have
latte.
yogurt?
ฮะ
Yogurt?
โยเกิร์ต you wanna put yogurt on it?
I do. If you have it, just mix it right in.
We don't have it yet, but I
No, go to the store. No. I know you get.
This is a nice little coffee shop, guys. It's a coffee shop. We're right opposite the hotel.
They have really cheap rooms here too.
In this place?
Yeah.
Is this a hotel?
Krong Place, yeah.
Krong Place, Chiang Mai.
Very, very inexpensive rooms here.
How much are the rooms, do you know?
Maybe.
How much?
Maybe 300 baht.
300 baht a night?
Maybe.
Wow.
We can find out.
Alright, guys, if you don't want to stay in an $800 hotel,
That's 2,300 one night.
2,300 baht one night, you can come over here and stay here for 300 baht.
$10 American, $9 American.
$9. Yeah.
We got a coffee shop to hang out in and work.
Yeah, it's a nice little spot actually. The lady
Yeah.
seems nice.
Man, I don't know how to do CPR on a dog either.
Oh my goodness.
How
Yes.
old were you when you left Thailand to go to Texas?
Oh shoot, I've been there since
You must have been like 5.
no.
You were there 30 years.
Thank
right?
you so much. Thank you. I'm
This is a coffee shop on the downstairs of the hotel, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. And do you want to can we see the rooms?
Sure.
Yeah.
I will bring you to see the room.
Okay.
Okay.
How much is it for one night? It's free off, would you say 400 baht, right?
Yeah, 400 baht right
Okay.
now because of COVID.
Okay. And if you can people stay here for 1 month?
Yeah, we have monthly too.
Monthly.
Yeah, if we get monthly, we get discount on monthly.
You do
Okay.
weekly discount
Yeah.
as well?
Daily, weekly, or monthly. We
Okay.
have that, yeah.
How much does it go down?
Well, depends which room you want, you know.
Okay.
But 400 baht room goes to...
We have right now, really is because of COVID, the price, we just lower the price. We have VIP room with the room with the kitchen, balcony, living room,
Wow.
and the bedroom. And we have a room with the king bed, with the balcony, with a TV, refrigerator, hot
Can I
water.
connect 2 of those rooms together?
Huh?
Can I connect 2 of those rooms together and make a big suite?
Oh, that's you're gonna love that.
what that is.
Yeah, that is good. That's
honey and-
yeah, honey, everything. No, that's from
And so you guys redid this whole thing?
Yeah,
Wow, it's nice.
we bought this. Like I tell you, we bought before the COVID coming. That's
Is it a
is.
plain shop house then?
It's a shop for me.
Or was it a guest house already? It was an apartment before.
No, the guy doing this, the first guy he building this, he's supposed to open to do like a apartment,
Yeah.
like, but he never had chance to do it.
Feels like Thai apartments. But it looks great. Everything's crisp and clean.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? I like places like this because I remember staying in places like this when I first came to Chiang Mai, and it's just
Okay, this will be.
Oh, this is great.
wow. Look at that.
Got your Barbie refrigerator.
Oh, it's a couple of rooms as
You
well.
got 3 guys can live here.
Oh my god. Wow, this is amazing.
Don't say that. And you got the odd container house across the street.
And it's all brand new, right, as well?
Yeah, brand new, everything.
Where you put your gun?
Really?
In Texas?
Yeah, in Texas, yeah. That's the room, like, you get...
Wow, okay. And you got two
So you
beds.
have another one, I can knock a hole in the wall and put two of them together?
Sure, sure.
Oh, so look, you got three beds in here.
Maybe I need to move from the, we live it up there. You can rent upstairs.
Okay. I need to be noisy?
Oh, this you get the whole building upstairs your own. Okay, this one you can leave it open.
My house does a walk up to the third floor, and I just, those last 10 steps.
And this the king bed. This is more space. Huh?
They all have little kitchen.
No. If this is more
This is like
space.
this is a studio.
Yes, it's.
This is great.
Wow.
It's a great room.
They're great,
I love
aren't
the
they?
bright colors and stuff.
Yeah, put the light on, man.
That's beautiful. Yeah. Great job. Little balcony there to look at the building next door.
That's the only problem in Thailand.
Yeah,
You're looking at that.
Well, and even if there's an ocean view there today, it doesn't mean tomorrow's going to be there.
Yeah, I know.
You have a chicken fight going on outside your window.
Guys, these are amazing. You've got a little balcony out there. You've got these are beautiful rooms for the price. It's absolutely crazy. You got a seating area. The other one had had separate rooms, 3 beds, so you can stay in there with 3 people if you're with a family or something. You got the kitchenette. Guys, you could live in one of these. Depending on, we'll find out what the monthly rate is. You could definitely live here.
This is a great little room.
Yeah, that is smaller room.
How much would because a lot of people that watch the channel, they want to stay for like 1 month. So how much would this be for 1 month?
Probably around 6,000.
6,000. Okay.
Yeah.
And then maybe in high season it'd be more when
Yeah,
you come
a bit
back.
more.
Sure. Yeah. Yeah. That's a great deal. And for the big one over here, how much would this one be?
That will probably about 8.
8. Okay.
And this one, I don't know, but this is 2 beds. We make like for 3 people, 2 people, and
I think Scott wants to rent your whole upstairs.
She offered it. She told me that's what I needed to do.
Oh wow! So this is for 2 people. And how much would this one be
this one,
for 1 month?
depend how many people stay.
Okay.
This is for a married couple, right?
Yeah, it can be married couple with the
Yeah, his
kid.
bed over there.
Yeah, you got like a kid. You got to have like kid's bed and then like.
There's a kid bed and like a husband and wife.
Wow. Everyone's got a balcony. It's beautiful, right? It's all brand new.
It's all
brand new.
The whole thing.
Yeah.
Like that from Saudi. That from Saudi. And downstairs, that's all from Saudi.
You live
Like
in-
Middle East stuff.
But these are like Italian things.
You live in Saudi Arabia.
Yeah, for my husband been there for 13 years. I've been there for 10 years.
My phone's still here somewhere.
Thank you for showing us your hotel.
Thank you.
And
ขอบคุณค่ะ
thank you. And I'll put a link in the description and people can find out how to come here. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so
ขอบ
much.
คุณนะคะ
Okay, guys. So if you're in Chiang Mai, come and check this place out. It's called Krong Place. Really good value. Those rooms were amazing. They were like brand new, and the price obviously might go up if the whole situation resolves itself. But for the time being, if you are coming to Chiang Mai, I would come to this place because that is an incredible deal. You're talking like 6,000 baht, 8,000 baht for those big rooms, brand spanking new, separate rooms. You got living room, office areas, tables, bedrooms. Amazing deal. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And like I said, if you are interested in coming to Thailand, then make sure you check out this link. And if you like this video, you're probably going to like this video as well. So check out that as well. That's all for now, guys. And I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Peace.